Hello friends, today we have a very interesting package. I mean, like, I'm quite shaky.
I'm not shaky.
Wait. Hey. Okay, so the Galaxy Fold is finally here in Malaysia. I think for our live audience who are actually watching on Instagram live, you might be hearing some things about, the Fold reaching Malaysia, the pre-orders. Okay, we'll get to that really soon, but this is the first time we're seeing the box right here. And this is the first time that we're gonna unbox the Galaxy Fold.
Actually, can I open it?
Yeah, can I?
I mean, girls appreciate packaging more.
Okay, you unbox it, I rip off the plastic.
Okay.
It's mine.
No, it's not.
It's kind of the same as the front.
Oh, there's another box. I mean, yeah. Okay, there's nothing in there. Oh, it's not sticky. Ready? Whoa, okay.
Okay, my turn.
Wait. So there are some instructions over here. They're called the care instructions. Obviously, there are some instructions here that you need to pay attention. Like, do not press the screen with a hard or sharp object such as a pen or fingernail. Do not apply excessive pressure to it. When folding the device, do not place any objects such as cards, coins. So these are basically the care instructions for you to basically take care of your Galaxy Fold. Okay? So we have the Galaxy. Okay, I'm gonna lift it up for the first time. All right.
It's basically the same thing as your feet.
Okay, it's not to say very heavy, and it's not to say very light either. It just feels like you're holding something like solid.
No, and this is the first fold phone in.
This is the first folding phone in the world, period.
Oh.
So innovation at its best, guys. I mean, like.
Okay, I think we're done shooting.
Wait.
This is my new phone.
So unfold the future, meet your Galaxy Fold. What does it say in Chinese? I thought you knew Chinese.
展开未来，
展开未来。
认识你的 Galaxy Fold.
Oh, okay. This is pretty interesting. Okay, when you get the Galaxy Fold, you have a 24-hour concierge. Means like if you need assistance, your Galaxy Fold consultants are available 24/7 to assist you with your inquiries. So it's basically a live chat, or you can actually call the number 1-800-GALAXIES, 1-800-425-2997, okay? And of course, it comes with a screen replacement and repair. Sometimes in life, it may bring an unexpected incident to your Galaxy Fold. Fret not, you are entitled to a one-time screen replacement or repair within 1 year from the device purchase date. Yeah, and of course, if you are actually pre-ordering the Galaxy Fold online, there is a door-to-door delivery, saving you time and trouble. They basically will pick it up and deliver the Galaxy Fold at your convenience.
I just found out that in this little compartment, right, it comes with a case.
Yes, I think it's actually very standard. It's actually very standard. Like all Samsung mobile phones, right? When you buy them, it comes with a case.
But I thought they're gonna give you like a transparent case, but this one they give you like a carbon fiber case.
But yeah, so that's the case for you to basically protect your Galaxy Fold with.
Yeah, and it comes with manuals that we don't even need to read.
Put it aside before Jean starts reading it.
And where is it? The Galaxy Buds come standard with every Galaxy Fold purchase, and I think it's the way forward. To be honest, I think if further Samsung mobile phones were to come with actually Galaxy Buds, that'd be so cool. That'd be so cool.
These are like super comfy, so I always wear these on flight and I sleep with it because it's so comfy. Like you can't feel anything.
Yes.
And baby start crying. Oh, I can't hear anything.
Okay, that one I do not agree completely.
I agree
I have a
completely.
baby at home, so sometimes
No, I don't blame baby crying because I understand the air pressure and stuff.
Yes.
But then like these are just so helpful.
Yes. So okay, you have your plug.
USB-C cable.
I think this is a device where if you want to use a smart switch program to basically transfer all the data from your previous phone to this phone, whether it's an Android phone or a non-Android phone, you can use this. So this basically is what you get in the packaging for the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now for everybody who loves ASMR, our good friend Shu Fei over here is going to do the honors. You ready?
He starts with the bottom.
Yes, okay, slowly. Oh wow, okay. Wow, okay. That's nice. Oh wow, that's...
Oh my god, I like the color.
Wow, there are actually two colors. There's basically black and this is silver. This is the new and improved Galaxy Fold, okay? So what's the difference with this? Okay, now if you look very closely, number one, there are actually some plastic caps over here that they basically installed to make sure that don't get any dusks or any debris that goes underneath the screen. Also, I think what they did was initially there was some sort of screen film over. What they did was they actually extended the screen layer beyond the bezel, so nobody will be itchy fingers to basically peel off the film. Because a lot of people thought that was a screen protector, but actually that was a very crucial part of the Galaxy Fold. But everybody was like, oh, screen protector.
Dude, this is so cool though. Like you can't even see the line.
Apart from that, of course, they have reinforced the hinge. Okay, if you can see, like this gaps over here, as it actually has been minimized, just to prevent any debris or any dust to basically go in the phone. There's also, I think what they did was there was a reinforced metal underneath the screen, so that's why apparently it gives you that satisfaction when you open it and you be like, okay, it's not flimsy or anything. This actually feels very solid. It's not light, yeah. Not to say that it's super heavy as well. But it has that premium feel okay? Okay, you know what? Let's go turn it on.
Wait, how do you turn it on?
I think this is the power button. I'm gonna fire it up. Oh wow, okay. This is actually very nice. Skip.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome to Galaxy. Okay, now start small, go big. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Wow.
Oh, we haven't even unfolded it yet. We're just looking at the animation.
Do you guys not know about this?
Yes, I know lah, but to actually see it in front of you is like freaking crazy.
You have to try it.
Oh, okay. Who wants to fold it?
Me!
I'm sorry, Josephine. I mean,
Okay.
she peeled it off.
I'm actually quite scared to screw it out lah.
Okay. All right. Oh, this is the first fold. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Oh wow. You know what? It has come to this, ladies and gentlemen. You have a folding phone. This is the future. Oh, it's actually very solid. It's you know, it's like, wow. Okay, it's like.
I'm actually very scared you keep doing this.
No, it's like.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, just open it. Okay, open it for the first time and tell me what you think.
Oh. Very easy eh?
Yeah, it is very easy. I cannot actually believe that I'm actually holding the Galaxy
Can you
phone.
imagine all your friends like, oh wait, my mom calling.
Yo, this one, no lah. Where got people listen to that one? You pick up the phone like that one lah.
Yeah lah, like someone want to purposely.
And of course, you know, you have your thumbprint over here, so in order for you to unlock, you just press here, boom.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, so this is the thumbprint. This thing over here.
Oh, I always like the thumbprint scanner on the side.
Yeah. So I think, you know, like the Galaxy A series, like they have a thumbprint scanner,
the
so
one
that's pretty
I
cool.
had. Yeah, I
So
love
imagine like if you want to open, right, and then you sometimes, you know, when you open, then you have to swipe up. So technically, what you have to do is basically hold here, and then open it, and boom, you're done. Oh, I turned on the camera. It has 6 cameras.
Where? I know one at the front.
Okay, one in front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So like, okay, I'm gonna turn on the selfie camera. As you can see, the selfie camera, there's actually like a closer one and also a wider one. So yeah, so there's 2 cameras also for facial recognition and everything. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so basically when you use it to take pictures, right? It basically fills up the whole entire screen. And let me show you. There's the telephoto and
It's
there's
still 3x4 though.
Yeah, so like if I do it super wide, you can see like all of us. And here's one thing I saw online, it's pretty cool. You see like this is the shutter button, right? And let's say for example, you have small hands and you're thinking like, oh my God, it's such a chore. You know, my thumb cannot read up there. So basically you hold it down and you bring the shutter button. You can bring the shutter button down here.
Wow.
Yeah, you can bring the shutter button down here and then you can take a picture. Take a picture, Josephine.
Oh, okay, I understand.
All right, do you see the crease?
No, not at all. I think you should show the...
Yeah.
It's quite surreal though. No, when the screen is off, you can clearly see it, but
Yeah.
now you can't.
If you're actually
Actually, when the screen is off, I can't really see that line also.
yeah.
That's why I was so impressed.
I mean like, okay, it's you see that line there, but like if you're looking at something like really bright,
Yeah, straight.
you don't really notice it.
Yeah, you can't really see it.
Okay.
Honestly, you can't see it.
So now this is the best function of the fold, I mean, in my honest opinion. So basically you have a huge screen, right? The one purpose of a huge screen is to basically multitask. So let's say, imagine you're watching Wikipedia and all of a sudden, you know, you want to do some scheduling on your calendar. So you hold the calendar and bring it over here and all of a sudden you have half calendar and half article. Yeah.
Wow, that's damn useful.
Yeah, but you think that it's only 2, right? So let's say, for example, if you want to have something here, you can basically bring up, let's say, if you want to put Samsung notes, okay, bring it in here. Yeah. So basically, you have your notes up there, you have your calendar over here, and you have your article over here. And let's say, for example, if your calendar, you want to basically enlarge it, you're gonna basically hold the top over here, and boom, it basically switches. So your Wikipedia comes down here, and your calendar goes there.
And you can adjust also.
Yeah, you can adjust.
Okay, so the screen, it looks like this, right? It's really tiny when you don't fold it open. But you can actually do like your normal things on this part of the phone without opening it. So the search results are here. And
Yeah.
it's really small to see, right? You can actually open it up. And then it will continue from where you left off.
Yeah, so basically this is the app continuity function.
Really cool.
Okay, but what I care is to watch something.
Or something. Okay, cool. Oh, wow. Okay, it's actually very clear lah, to be honest.
Can you stretch this also?
No, you can't stretch.
It's coming now.
Oh wow, you can!
Can lah.
You can! I mean, nobody wants to watch in this ratio lah. I mean, but it's cool lah. Yeah, I mean, you could, but
If you don't mind missing out the parts of the side.
yeah. Actually, you know what? I'm very curious. Instagram would be actually pretty interesting.
No, actually what I really like was what Shufei just now. I don't know how the split screen.
Yeah,
stream,
oh.
And then there was like one you can just do live or Instagram or whatever you want, and then you can just read there.
So obviously Google has enhanced all their apps to basically work with app continuity and everything like that lah. So now you have Instagram. So just now you were saying that you like to basically have a few things in one screen, right?
Yeah.
So
Notes definitely.
yeah, notes definitely. Oh, Instagram doesn't allow you to basically use multi-window, but you can actually have one
Pop-up.
You can actually have one pop-up there.
That's good enough.
That's good enough. You can actually have one pop-up there for Instagram. You can go live on Instagram and pin some
Yeah.
notes so that you can basically refer to
Super
those
helpful
notes.
for people like me.
Yeah lah, because Josephine sometimes forget script one. Yeah. Okay, cool. All
I
right.
just wonder what kind of games they have like for you to play like.
Oh right. Wow, you do not meet the age requirement to access. Please, Josephine, don't lie lah.
18.
Everybody knows that you're 45. You're 45.
Okay, I just want to say, if you follow my stories, you'll know that I'm a loser at game. I'm a champion at losing.
You're a champion at losing.
Yeah.
It actually takes up the whole entire screen.
Yeah, faster, I want to play.
Steering is actually automatic, so you just have to drift.
Oh my god, it's damn fun, wait.
Yeah.
I want to like hit something.
No, you can't.
Why I can't?
No, you can't.
Does it work like that?
It says at the beginning of the game that the steering is automatic. Do you not read? That's why you're such a lousy driver, Josephine! So that's it, man. It basically fills up the whole entire screen. How cool is that?
Pretty.
Yes. Alright guys, that has been the brief unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. It's finally out in Malaysia, just to let you guys know again. Pre-order starts 9th of October. It goes for 8388, RM8388. I just want to give a big shout out to Samsung for allowing us to unbox this phone. You guys want to say anything?
Yes, thank you so much for letting us to touch it
Yes.
and fold it.
Yes.
And for this, thank you so much. I'll keep it.
I hope I get to own one.
Okay, hope harder. Oh, work harder. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below because, you know, maybe Josephine or Shufei will reply you guys. Nobody watches videos because of me. They always watch because of Josephine. Thank you so much for watching.